Hi, hello. This is Rama Devi, Assistant Professor of English, Government Arts and Science College, Valpare. In this session, I am going to discuss about the topic is The Sky is the Limit, written by Kalpana Chawla. Introduction. Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian woman to go on space. She was born on 1st July 1961 in Kurnool, Haryana. She belonged to the middle class family, but she was a very enthusiastic and knowledgeable girl in her school days. She started her studies at Tagore School, Kurnool, and then she chose aeronautical engineering in Punjab University. And later, for the master degree, she moved to Texas University, and there she felt very shy because she was the only girl in her class. Later, she joined in NASA after her studies and worked as an astronaut. Kalpana Chawla's dreams and its realization. Kalpana was a courageous lady, and her passion for flying began very early in life. When she was in school days, she drew airplanes in drawing competition, and also she made some models for the Universe for Geography project. This dream urged her to become an astronaut in NASA. First chance to space. Kalpana Chawla went to space for the first time in STS-87 Columbia for the 16 days missions. She came back to Earth on December 5, 1997 with 6 astronaut crew. She was considered to be the first Indian-born woman to achieve the greatest feat. Second chance to space. She had a chance for the second time on 2000 for the crew of STS-107 scheduled for launch in 2003. On January 16, 2003, she was dedicated her life to science and research mission. She went with 6 astronauts and successfully completed the experiments. Kalpana's message to the children. The Ganges Valley looked majestic, mind boggling. Africa looked like a desert, and the Nile abandoned it. She said that sunrises and sunsets defined her experience in space. She also said that doing it again is like a living dream and a good dream once again. It is a wishing bon voyage. Her motto is that to follow your own dreams to attain success. Conclusion. It is a true and unfortunate tragedy that on February 1st, 2003, a breezy blue day over Florida, during entry, the space shuttle exploded into a ball of fire 16 minutes prior to scheduled landing. Kalpana and the other 6 crew members died unfortunately. Thank you.